Step-by-step guide on how to fall in love with your Deen. Do you feel lost in this dunya, struggling to find your way back to Allah? Perhaps the chaos of everyday life has dulled your spiritual spark, leaving you feeling unfulfilled and restless. Are you tired of feeling disconnected from your Deen, unsure of what's causing the distance? Let's embark on a transformative journey together. In this channel, we'll explore practical steps to rekindle your love for Islam, prioritize your Deen over dunya, and cultivate a deeper connection with Allah. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fall in love with Islam and prioritize your Deen over dunya. And yeah, few guys have some tips and tricks on how to focus on your Deen as a teenage Muslimah, and share your thoughts in the comment box. Let's uplift our slef together. Step 1. Connect with the Quran. 1. Read the Quran daily, even if it's just a few verses. 2. Reflect on its meaning and significance. 3. Listen to Quran recitations. 4. Join a Quran study group. Step 2. Strengthen your prayer life. 1. Perform Salah on time. 2. Focus on sincerity and khushu humility. 3. Make dua supplication regularly. 4. Attend congregational prayers. Step 3. Learn Islamic knowledge. 1. Study Islamic texts, hadith, tafsir, etc. 2. Attend lectures and workshops. 3. Watch Islamic videos and podcasts. 4. Read Islamic books. Step 4. Implement Islamic values. 1. Practice compassion, kindness, and forgiveness. 2. Develop gratitude and contentment. 3. Cultivate humility and modesty. 4. Strive for justice and fairness. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive influences. 1. Join a Muslim community or group. 2. Attend Islamic events and gatherings. 3. Connect with righteous friends. 4. Follow inspirational Islamic accounts. Step 6. Prioritize your time. 1. Allocate time for Islamic activities. 2. Set goals for spiritual growth. 3. Avoid wasteful activities. 4. Use technology wisely. Step 7. Seek forgiveness and guidance. 1. Regularly seek Allah's forgiveness. 2. Perform istighfar seeking forgiveness. 3. Consult with Islamic scholars. 4. Reflect on your actions. Step 8. Make dhikr remembrance a habit. 1. Recite Quranic verses and hadith. 2. Engage in tasbih praising Allah. 3. Use prayer beads. 4. Make remembrance a daily routine. Step 9. Strive for consistency. 1. Set achievable goals. 2. Create an Islamic routine. 3. Track your progress. 4. Be patient and persistent. Step 10. Seek Allah's love. 1. Show love and compassion to others. 3. Make sacrifices for His sake. 4. Yearn for Jannah. Additional tips. Be gentle with yourself. Focus on progress, not perfection. Seek guidance from Islamic scholars. Join a spiritual retreat or program. Remember, falling in love with Islam is a lifelong journey. Be patient, sincere, and consistent.